Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me. A beautiful Airline 62-316 that I purchased off of Shop Goodwill. I'm thinking some 6 to 10 years back. And this radio has a special story. So let me share with you what I know about the history of this particular receiver, and then later on we'll look at tackling the restoration itself. I've always been fascinated by radios and always wondered if they could talk, what would they tell us about the previous owner? Well, this radio left some clues behind. You can see, based on the information on the bottom of the radio, it was bought in the Dalles in 1936. That's outside of Portland, Oregon. And you see they paid $26 for it, made payments of $2 a month for the next year. So $2 down. Their first piece of furniture that they bought, again, belonging to Frank and Evelyn Reynolds. With doing some research, I was able to locate some information on Evelyn and Frank Reynolds. They were godly people. Evelyn, at the time of her passing, back in 2008, she was 93 years of age. She was a mother of 5 children, a grandmother to 6, and a great-grandmother to 11 at that time. She graduated from the Laurelwood Adventist Academy back in 1933. And then just a few years after that, 3 years to be exact, she married Frank. Her father actually built the Sunnyside Seventh-day Adventist Church back in 1927. Frank and Evelyn got to spend 72 years of their life together. After their retirement, they traveled for 28 years, covering about 40,000 miles across the Alaska Highway and back up into Canada. Again, they volunteered in their community, and both Evelyn and Frank served as chaplains. Sadly, Frank passed away in 2008, just 2 months after Evelyn passed. Frank was in the timber and lumber business and always a craftsman. After retiring from that job of 42 years in the industry, he had his own cabinet shop, from what I've read. And he actually built a lot of the furniture, pulpit, chandeliers for the church. And Frank fully retired at the age of 88. I think it's just a loving story and a special memory and a tribute to both of them, Frank and Evelyn Reynolds. The radio deserves a full restoration, and it would be my honor to present this radio back to a member of their family if that opportunity presents itself. I appreciate you guys watching. Everyone out there, take care and stay well.